What is big data? Or what are big data, to be technically accurate? Big data, generally speaking, is something where the data set is too big or too complex to be processed by your standard home or business computer. Rather than talking about megabytes and gigabytes, let's put it into a practical example. Let's say you're an estate agent and you have a database of houses that are for sale. So you can imagine the sorts of characteristics that would go into each house. There would be a number of fields associated with number of bedrooms, number of bathrooms, square meters of the property. So a reasonable size set for each property. If you listed these properties down your spreadsheet, each row a different property, you would have a set of data. That's a simple database. Now the point you get to about 1 million houses, that's the point at which your standard off-the-shelf spreadsheet program starts to fall over. It can no longer cope with that amount of data. That's when little data becomes big data. Now, 1 million rows of data might sound like a lot, but in fact, it's pretty small in the grand scheme of things when you think about the sorts of data that society in general is producing. Think about the number of cars that pass motorway toll points at any given time. Think about the number of times people purchase things in a supermarket on any given day. Think about the number of images that are processed in a medical facility, in a hospital in a major city. Pretty soon we have millions and millions and millions and millions of rows of data, and this all gets stored and processed. And the tools that are available to us now allow us to process across the internet large quantities, vast sums of data in complex sets. This is where Lynx can help. But until then, think about your day-to-day activities. Think about every social media message that you post, every transaction that you make in a supermarket. All of that is contributing to what we know as big data.